Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Kiralik Ashk. Daphne, a poor girl living with her grandmother, brother, and sister, is tangled in a deal to make the famous businessman Umar fall in love with her and marry her before it's too late. Daphne is forced to do this due to life obstacles and with her differences. Will she be able to make Umar fall in love with her? Number 9. Atish Boseji. Charming but loveless divorce lawyer Barish's cynical view of the world is challenged when he meets high-spirited taxi driver Asli and they embark on an adventure full of drama and comedy. A search for justice launches them on a journey that will reveal whether these contrasting characters are actually soulmates. Barish Buka is a successful attorney who justifies his loneliness by saying he doesn't believe in love. He now faces the biggest trial of his life when romance comes knocking on his door, along with accusations against his cousin that threatened his family's happiness. The fun loving Asli must get serious and take responsibility. When her father dies, she takes over his taxi to support the family. Number 8. Dolune. Nazli, who wants to be a professional chef, becomes the private chef of his boss Firit. The rich businessman Firit and Nazli get closer thanks to the several coincidences and break through a gate of love that is impossible. Number 8. Dolune. Sanam is a natural, cheerful, and lively young girl who, unlike her older sister Lale, opens grocery very early every morning from early ages. When Sanam sees that she is looking for an employee in the countess where her sister's works, she will mark a job application and the events will begin after that. The boss of the magazine, Aziz, has two sons, Jan and Emre. Once she starts working on the magic that Sanam does not work very well, then one will find herself in interesting events. Number 6. Ashk Mantik Intakam. Asra always swore she would never marry a man like her father, whose business failures left her family bankrupt and struggling all through her youth. Then she met Ozan, a bright young engineer entering the civil service. The two married and led a comfortable, stable life until the day Ozan quit his government job to start his own company. Soon Asra is hustling three jobs just to keep the family afloat, while Uzan bounces from one bankruptcy to another. Eventually, the two divorced. Years later, Uzan's face is plastered over every newspaper, magazine, and news show. His social media app has made Uzan insanely rich, a tech celebrity, and one of the Turkey's most eligible bachelors. Number 5. San Kal Kapimi. Ada is a bright, beautiful young woman working at a florist. She dreams of getting her degree and moving to Italy, but her dreams are shattered when the heir to the Bolas holding company cancels her scholarship, so she has to drop out of university. Now only two things keep her going, her love of plants and her hatred of Sarkan Bolat. When Sarkan comes to speak at the university, Ada is protesting outside. A series of unfortunate events leaves these two handcuffed during or most of the day during when Ada learns that Sarkan really is everything she hates, arrogant, self-centered, and a control complete freak. For his part, Sarkan could not care less, but when the media mistakenly link the two, he hatches a plan to use Ada to get back at the ex-girlfriend who dumped him and is now engaged to another man. Number 4. Baht Oyunu. Ada is a young girl who believes that if she is abandoned by her first love, she will be unhappy forever, like the women of her maternal side. While trying to escape the fate of her family, Ada falls in love with Ruzgar, a student from Albania at the same university who is threatened with deportation. Believing that Ruzgar is her first love, Ada proposes him and they have a fake marriage to prevent his deportation. She believes that Ruzgar will literally propose to her on the third anniversary of their fake marriage. and then their real marriage adventure will finally begin. But unfortunately, all the dreams and hopes of Ada will be ruined when she is abandoned by Ruzgar on their third wedding anniversary. Number 3. Afili Ashk. Handsome and womanizer Karim is the son of Yitra family who has one of the oldest textile businesses in Istanbul. With his creative mind, he made his family company the leader of the sector with a startup as they were about to get out of date. He accomplishes it, but he is still not a proper man in the eyes of his father because Karim lives his life to the fullest by winning, dining, traveling, and hanging out with as many girls as he can. Aisha, on the other hand, works at Karim's factory. She is smart, beautiful, and a big hearted girl who leads a boring, joyless life under the control of her two older brothers, one of whom is a depostic while the other is an idol. Thus, her only hope is to marry her boyfriend Burke and leave the difficult life behind. However, her brothers want her to marry the rich boy of the neighborhood Sabri. Aisha tells Burke that they have to marry at once. After learning about it, Burke disappears. Number 2. Ashk Laftan Analmaz. Hayat tells the story of two distinct lives. On the one hand is Murad, the handsome, cool, perfectionist young man who takes over the responsibility of his family's company at an early age, while on the other hand is Hayat, the beautiful, joyful, yet clumsy young woman who lives life to the fullest. A recent university graduate, Hayat is having a hard time finding a job, and if she doesn't find one in 24 hours, she has to go back to her hometown and marry one of the candidates that her mother has chosen for her. As she runs from one interview to another, Murad's secretary mistakes her for another and offers her a position, while she only plans to work there for a few days until her mother's leave, and then she tells the truth. A chain of events develops and turns everything into one big mess with the love between her and Murad at the center. Number 1. Yasak Alma. Yasak Alma started out being the story of Yildiz and Zainab, two sisters who are very close but have very different characters and life goals. Zainab is a girl who strictly adheres to her ethical values, aims to have a very successful career and strives for it, while Yildiz believes that she deserves more and considers happiness to be a marriage with a rich man who should save her from her low life. Now in season 4, the focus on the female leads. Yildiz and Ender has gone from enemies to best friends to enemies, friends, and now enemies again. This is for a very large part the result of her mother Asuman, who with her meddling and ambitions has ruined Yildiz's life. Yildiz is now facing Ender, who has now joined forces with her arch nemesis Shahika. This despite the fact that Shahika caused Ender the love of her life, but vengeance and ambitions are more important. If you like our video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.